Hello, this is Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. I'm out here at the Reservoir, Cedar, I think I say Cedar Valley Reservoir, out towards Garnett. Let's see what we could do here. I'm with old Laramie. May not be able to see him, but he's way on out there with my kayak. He wants to try out. I had two top water fishing kayaks. He has a Jackson Bite Angler, and of course I got the Old Town Sportsman 106 pedal drive. Sure is a beautiful day out here. Well, since I'm over here, let's see the beauty of that rock formation. There we go. There we go. Whoa, that's just a carp. Oh my, he was trying to jump into the kayak with me. Private property, so this way they can drink out the lake. And unless there's barbed wire fence up there, there, look at the cows you want. There we go, something different. I just haven't had no luck catching anything today yet. And my line is all tangled up. What a mess. It's kind of cool, an old bridge. Let's drop all this down. Yeah, that spot I was going to go was just too shallow. And as hot as it is, there'll be a little deeper water. Just trying to cast it. Oh, he hit it. He hit it. It's just a little guy, not very big. Since he's a little guy, let's switch out. There it is. What's the best? It came right on the edge. Yeah, look at that. Oh my. Ha That's awesome. Yes. Hold on, little one. Hold on. I got you. Finally. Caught me a bass. Come on, you stupid line. I don't want to lose up the fish. Oh yeah, take a look at that. Woohoo! Yeah, good day of fishing. My first bass. Look at that beauty. Look at that beaut. Oh yeah. Oh, no, fish don't. No, not letting you go yet. Dang it, I'm having an issue with everything here. Hold on. I know how to do. Twist this and twist you around. There, that's better view. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah, look at that. Good day of fishing. This Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. Woo! Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, thumbs up. Oh yeah, bring it on. Woohoo! We'll let this fish go here. Not very big, 13.5 inch. But still a nice little fish. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Revive it a little bit. Ah, there she goes. Woo-hoo! Oh, yeah. What a good day fishing. Another fish. All right. Yes. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, my. Oh, yeah. Number 2. A little smaller one. Actually, that one that got belly. It's a female. She's full of eggs. We'll let her go quickly. Get her back in the water. All right. And number 2. Yeah. Look at that. We'll let her go back real quick. There she goes. I gotta go by this bridge. It's just got filling right here. Can't go very far down this creek because it's private beyond the point. But right here by the bridge, I see fish jumping where it's legal. Yes, fish on. Stay on there. Stay on there. Yeah, buddy. Yes. Yes. That's a good one. Good one. Let him work it. That's a bigger one. Get over here. Well, not as big. But sure is a nice one, though. Oh my. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah. And that's the crankbait I used bought at Walmart. I forgot the name. I'll put on the I'll text the name of it. Right here. Got the little orange belly. Look like a little crawdad. It's a really nice little setup here. Hold on. Well, I was measuring that one. That was 14 inches. I tried to take a picture. It jumped out of my deal. So, but there's one that's even bigger bass jumping. Let's go get it. Come on, this is a good place for a bunch of bass. Right up in this area. Let's get up here closer. That crankbait is working great out here. I'll text a message for what kind of crankbait is. I really like it. I'd like to say it was called the Outlaw or something like that, but we'll find out real quick. There's a big one just jumped in front of me. Feel that big one. Right about up here. Right there. Yes, he hit it. He actually hit it. Yes. If I keep him, this is number 4. Yeah. Not as big, but sure jumped. Yes. No. At least I got him in there. This is a good day fishing here. You just got to hit the right spot. I'm excited about here. All right. If he get away, at least you see it. There's number 4. There's number 4. Oh, you little dirt. You stay put. Let's see if you've even all that big. You sure act like you're a big one. You sure fight like one. He was only 13 inches. But still a good fighter. Number 4. Here we go. Let's let this one go. Oh, more jumping, more jumping. There she goes. Oh, something hit it. You saw that? Yeah. Now I'm on the Jackson Bite Angler, and now Laramie, he's on the Old Town Sportsman 106. Now he's going to try it out.
Not too bad. Turns all right.
Yeah. Not bad. There you go. The same place where they want to go that way? Yeah, we can go that way. Check it out. I've never been this direction out here, not just that one way. I bet Larry want one of those pedal drive now. So much more you can do with a pedal drive. One thing about these other kayaks, not pedal drive, you can't back up unless you pedal backward, and I'm missing all this good spot to fish. I could have backed up. It's pretty much, you're better off pedal driving if you're doing, especially doing a lot of fishing. Fishing tournaments, definitely. I gotta pedal backward. Here, this way you see what I gotta do. It's going to take a little more time because I can't be on my pole working on the fish. So that's why that pedal drive is awesome. Great. All right, let's see. I cast in there before the wind blow me up in there. There we go. That's what I want to do. And I can't turn without a paddle, so I said it'd take a little longer to fish. I mean, I did it for years with the other kayaks, but it makes a difference. Now, because I did all that, I got tangled up with my crankbait. Yeah, you're better off a pedal drive for fishing. You seriously want to do a lot of fishing, pedal drive is the best way on a kayak. Because I'm just having nothing but trouble because I don't even have the pedal drive. So I'm hoping to get, if you guys want to buy a kayak, get a pedal drive. It's well worth the money. Fish on! Yeah! A little perch. Little bluegill. It wasn't a bass, but hey, a little bluegill. We'll just let this one go. Oh well. Here, you want to go and take a picture? Then you can send that to me. Got it?
Yep.
All right, well, let this little guy go. Ah, he bit me. He's not gonna let. Oh, he's mad.
Before I go.
There you go. Well, here's the island. We're doing. I'm gonna get on the island, stand up, and do a little fishing standing up. Give me a little break out of this kayak and see if I catch anything while I'm standing up. See if anything hiding back in this cove here. That's what I want right there. Yes, there it is. So we got him. Aha! The little guy. There's a bluegill. Of course. That bluegill. Another one. Oh, wow. It wasn't a bass. But I knew there was a fish back here. There we go. Let this guy go. All right. There's a vulture. Attacking me. He think I was dead. Let's try. The boat gave us a wave. Ah, it kind of died down by the time we got to us. Aw, that sucks. We need to come back and spin around on us. Darn it. That was a bummer. Whew, I got excited there. I got a little scared. I thought it was a snake, a stinking little floating log there. Oh, there's a snake right there. That's what I got scared about. There we go. Stinking snake, get on out of here. Whew. Stay away.